Try top watches on your wrist via augmented reality. We aim to take online shopping for watches to the next level with a new e-commerce growth tool, where the lack of physical presence is no longer an issue. While purchasing watches online, buyers often face a number of problems, such as size. 55% of offline shoppers confirmed that they don't shop online due to the inability to try. Low involvement of millennials and Generation Z in case the brands don't offer innovations. These problems can be solved with the help of an AR platform. First, download the AR Watches application. Enjoy hyper-realistic 3D models in real size. Check out the watch settings. And most importantly, try it on your hand without any special wristbands. Don't forget that e-commerce is undergoing a revolution. Be innovative.